All right, this is word problem number 5 on page 250, and this is a problem about two street sweepers. And to clean the city's streets, the old street sweeper takes 60 hours, and then when it does it in tandem with the new street sweeper, it only takes 15 hours to do. So the question is, how long would it have taken the new sweeper alone if it worked alone? So that's the variable, that's x, hours. So as far as the work rate, if I look at the work rates, the old sweeper, the work rate, it can do 1/60th of the job per hour. The new sweeper, its work rate, it can do 1 over x of the job per hour. And together they work for 15 hours. So it's kind of like, again, it's the work done by the old plus the work done by the new will be the whole job. And the work done by each is going to be their work rate times the amount of time that they work together. So for the old one, it's the 60th of the job per hour, but they work for 15 hours together. For the new one, it's 1 over x, 1 over, the amount it takes that new sweeper alone times 15, and altogether that's 1. So I can look at this as 15 over 60 plus 15 over x equals 1. And look for opportunities to simplify these fractions. 15 over 60 is 1 over 4. So we know that 15 over x is actually 3 over 4. So if I solve this, the way that we've been working with these equations with variables in the denominator, I know x cannot equal 0, and I know that the new sweeper doesn't take 0 hours, so that's not relevant. But anyway, if the lowest common denominator is 4x, this one needs to be multiplied by 1 in the form of x over x, this one by 1 in the form of 4 over 4, and this one by 1 in the form of 4x over 4x. Now, if all the denominators are over 4x, I can clear that fraction, multiply everything by the lowest common denominator of 4x, and I'll get the numerator is x plus 4 times 15 is 60 equals 4x. So 60 is 3x, and x is 20. So the answer would be it takes the new sweeper 20 hours alone. Another way that we could have found that is to realize that if this was 1/4 of the job, that 15 over x must be the other 3/4 of the job. So you could set up a little proportion. 15 is to x is 3 is to 4, and you can see, times 5 right there, that x would equal 20. So anyway, that's problem number 5.